Hey, if this video found you, there is a reason. Spirit brought this to you. It's a synchronicity. So I'm going to let you know what you need to know. The first thing that I'm feeling is that we're wanting clarity and guidance. We're going through something and we just want to hear something from Spirit. Like, we don't even know really what we're looking for, but we're like, I just need to hear something, because a lot of you guys are at the point where you're broken and you don't even know what you need. So if that sounds like you, then this message is for you. I'm going to channel it from Spirit to you. I want to show you what I have here, because you guys are going to use your energy and you're going to help me pick a card. And I'm just going to grab it. It's an oracle card, so it has the message written on it. But here's how this is going to work. So everything's happening all at once, okay? Everything. Time is not linear. We, in this physical reality, are experiencing time in a linear fashion, but everything really is happening all at once. So that means that by the time that you're seeing this video and the time that I'm taping this video, it's all happening at the same time, right? So the energy that I'm picking up on will be the energy that you are emitting right now. So I'm manifesting that this video find everyone who has the same thing going on in their life, so that you guys can all kind of put out that energy, that same, vibrational frequency, and I'll be able to pick it up. And I'm going to be able to pull a card based on what you guys are all emitting right now. And we're going to all get the same answer of what we're needing based on that frequency. So what I want you to do to help with this process, to make this reading be as accurate as possible, is I want you to just put your hand on your heart. And you can say this out loud, or you can say it in your head. What matters is the intention and how genuine you are. But I want you to ask your spirit guide, say, Spirit guide, please give me guidance with what I'm needing right now. And just sit in that for a moment. And I already am feeling very, very drawn to a card. And I'm going to just pick one right now. And as you can see, I've got them all laid out here. And I'm just going to feel the magnetism of like which card it is. But yes, you guys are doing really good, because I'm already feeling drawn to one. Okay. And I honestly feel like we need to pick out two maybe. But I'm going to pull the first one. Look at the back though. Isn't it so pretty? It is so beachy. It feels like I'm sitting on the beach peering through the palm leaves of the sun myself. What do we got? Depth. Okay, depth. That's what came out for a lot of us. Before I even read the description, I'm picking up on the energy of the picture, and I'm seeing that we are submersed in a lot of emotions. And this is telling me that there's been a lot of tumultuous energy going on within your life right now. And it's also telling me that we're at a place where we can't really take it much longer. We don't know how much longer we can be in the ocean, right? Because we're a good swimmer, just like the mermaid, right? We're a good swimmer, but how many waves can keep rolling in, and how much energy do we have to keep swimming through the waves before we just give up and wash up on shore? Okay? I feel like we can see the light. Like, the light's right there. We know which way is up. But there's something holding you beneath the surface. And you think it's an outside factor. You think it's an outside factor holding you beneath the surface. But what Spirit wants you to know is it's yourself. Okay? There's a belief system within you that makes you think that this outside factor is what is holding me beneath the water. But that's what Spirit wants you to know. It's you have the power. You have the power. So why are you letting your power go? Why are you giving your power away? We create our own reality. Nobody else. Everyone that comes into our life is a cooperative component to the energy we are emitting. They are a cooperative component. We emit a frequency, and the universe brings back everything that matches that frequency. So every single thing that's happening in your life right now is a result of something that you have going on within yourself. So when you look at this card, I want you to ask yourself, what's within me that's causing this situation? What is it within myself that's causing me to attract this within me into me? Okay? It's going to be you're going to have to do some self-reflection. Okay? But that's immediately what I feel. Now I'm going to read you the poem on this. Okay? Why does anyone want what they desire? The art of a rose? The hum of a choir? One thing in common, we all want to win. Happiness is the key. It comes from within. Did this resonate for you? Let me know in the comments if it did.